online should be fun, not confusing. So the key to getting that perfect fit is knowing how to measure yourself properly. So in this video, we're going to guide you step by step so you can match your measurements to our size guide with confidence. Always begin with your largest area. Now, whether that's your bust, your waist, or your hips. If that part fits, the rest usually will too. Here's how it works with different types of clothing. A-line dresses focus on the bust. If it fits comfortably, the rest of the dress will drape beautifully over your tummy and hips. For the shirt or blouse, the bust is the key. Too small and the buttons may gape, but once it fits, shoulders and body will sit well. Pants and skirts or a straighter cut dress, hips or tummy are most important. If they fit, the garment will sit comfortably, and the waist can usually be adjusted with elastic, belts or drawstrings. Now for pants specifically, the hip area allows about 8 centimetres of easing to make it comfortable when you're sitting. So go with the actual sizing of your hips because we've catered for that extra room, and that way you'll be comfortable. Waist-fitted dresses or anything with a waistband, focus on the waist. If it fits, the rest of the garment will fall into place. So take your measurements, grab a soft tape measure and stand naturally. For the bust, measure the fullest part. For the waist, the narrowest part above your belly button. For the hips, the fullest part, but just make sure you keep the tape snug, not too tight. Then compare to the size guide. Now our garments are measured laid flat, so simply your number, you need to divide it by 2. For example, 100 centimetre bust equals 50 centimetres on our flat guide. And remember, the flat measurement is the maximum size of the garment at that point. So unless the fabric has stretch, it won't allow for more room. And that's it. Measuring only takes a minute and it makes all the difference. Now you can shop with confidence, knowing your favourite pieces will fit and feel just right. But remember, if you are ever unsure, our team is always here to help.